Hey guys, I'm Mike Carrick here at Looking Glass Realty International Headquarters. We hear a lot of times, I would love to have a house in downtown Brevard. Not only that, I hear a lot of times, I would love to have a house that's walkable to downtown. Oh, well then I don't even need to do this or this. How about I go show you one? Good, man. Oh my gosh, I love a sale. Good, you too, man. Hey, they want to wait a minute. Hey, we're our best life. What do you think, guys? Short walk right down Maple Street, right through the heart of Brevard, and we're right here at 103 Jordan Road. Let's go in and take a look at this great place. One of the many custom features in this house, this is a great bar countertop. Everybody loves a good granite. Who doesn't love a good pantry? Be washing your dishes, putting them in the dishwasher. Mud room, everybody loves a good mud room. Jump outside, come in, get some more overflow storage. A true master bedroom that you can fit a king-size bed. Second level, on thermostat. Another closet, nice bathroom, take a full bath. A lot of storage here. Another bedroom over there, full size, great closet space. Ooh, I love a closet with a light and shelves. And I'm finding the same details in here. I love a room that's got some kind of character to it with the ceilings. 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, 2 levels, master on the main. And if you like company or have a couple of those kiddos, you can throw them up here. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this tour at 103 Jordan Road. I've enjoyed showing it to you and showing you how quick and easy to downtown it is. I'm Mike Carrick, and I always invite you to give me a call if you got something you'd like to sell or if you're looking to buy a great property. I'd love to help you.